we have a GCSE question here. We are asked to solve this, and from sort or from trigonometry ratio, tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 all over root 3, or by rationalization is root 3 over 3. Also, cos 30 degrees by this, it's also root 3 over 2, and sine 60 degrees is equals to root 3 over 2, and tan 60 degrees is equals to square root of 3. So we can substitute all of this here in the main given formula question that we have to evaluate. So tan 30 is root 3 over 3, then divide by cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2, multiply by sine 60 is square root of 3 all over 2 over tan 60 is square root of 3. So this by implication is going to be square root of 3, this one, over 3. Then we divide this by square root of 3 over 2, then multiply by square root of 3 over 2, divide by square root of 3, square root of 3, which is this one. You balance it with 1 so that it can become a fraction. So this is going to be, we'll change this division to multiplication, and it will alter this fraction. So we have root 3 divided by 3, and then multiply by 2 divided by square root of 3, multiply by square root of 3 divided by 2. We also change this to multiplication. It will alter the next fraction, square root of 3. So by implication, this will cancel this. This will also cancel this. Then these two will cancel these two. We are left with 1 from the numerator and then 3 from the denominator. So this is how we evaluate this simple GCSE question. Please make sure you like, you comment, and you also share.